Today we are going to make an amazing birthday candle that turns on a light and plays a birthday song when you give a signal. Making this creation, you will learn how to write the condition codes for a microphone and the codes to change LED colors. You will also learn the codes to play a song using a speaker and a delay block. So, what do we need to make the birthday candle? You will need a network and a battery for the setup module, an LED module and a speaker module for the output module, and a button and a microphone module for the input module. Prepare 3 shoe blocks, a wire adapter, and a wire from among the accessories. Finally, prepare a pen, a knife, colored paper, double-sided tape, and 2 popsicle sticks to decorate the birthday candle. Before we start coding, let's look at the code structure first. When you press the button, the LED will emit a soft white light. When the microphone module detects a loud sound, the LED colors will change, and the speaker will play a birthday song. After the song is over, it will go back to a soft white light. So then, shall we start coding? Let's write the default status code of the birthday candle. The default status of the birthday candle is when the LED is off with the button not pressed. Drag an LED module from the module map to the editor and select Off for the basic color in the condition box. We are now going to write a code for this status when the button of the birthday candle is pressed. The LED should emit a soft white light when the button is pressed. So place an if block under the default status code and select Button. Then select Toggle, which only has 2 functions, on and off. Connect the LED under the if code and enter the microphone volume in R, G, and B in custom color. The brightness of the LED will then change depending on the sounds detected by the microphone module to look like flickering candlelight. Next, we will write a code to play a birthday song and turn on the LED with different colors when the microphone module detects a loud sound. Place an if block under the condition code of the button. Select Microphone and Volume in the condition box in order. And enter the volume you want. In the monitoring window of the microphone module, you can check volume values using the graph drawn according to the volume. Estimate a suitable value by looking at the graph. You can select a microphone volume between 0 and 100. I set greater than or equal to 50 for the volume so that the birthday candle does not play a birthday song when detecting sound that is too small. Now, let's write codes for the status of when the microphone detects a sound of 50 or louder. Before we write codes to play a birthday song, we will write codes to play a basic sound with changing LED colors for reference. For example, you should place a loop block under the condition code of the microphone and enter 3. If you want to repeat the action of the LED color changing 3 times according to C, D, and E note tones. Connect an LED module under it and select Red for basic color. Then place a speaker module under it. select Basic Tune and set the C note for the sound. Using a delay block, make this action continue for 0.2 seconds. In the same way, set green for the LED module and set D note sound, and 0.2 second for the speaker module. Finally, set blue for the LED module and E note sound, and 0.2 second for the speaker module. Place the speaker module under it and set 0 for custom tune, so that the birthday candle repeats this action 3 times and stops. The code will make C, D, and E note sounds with red, green, and blue lights when the microphone module detects a sound of 50 or louder. Using this method, we will write codes to play a birthday song. If you want the birthday candle to play a song, you should enter all the notes and their length according to a score. The score for the birthday song is as shown below. Let's write codes based on this score. Place an LED module under the condition code of the microphone and set red for basic color. Then select Basic Tune in Speaker and set the G note tone as the first tone of the song. Adjust the length of the sound using a delay block. I set the sound to continue for 200 milliseconds, or 0.2 seconds, for a half beat based on an eighth note. I set 50 milliseconds, or 0.05 seconds, for a pause between prolonged sounds to make them sound more natural. Write codes for all the notes of the birthday song in the same way. Keep changing the LED colors to show different colors. After entering all the notes of the song, set 0, 0 in custom tune so that the speaker stops. You have finished writing all of the codes now. Upload the codes to Modi. As you have learned here, there are various ways to utilize Modi. Based on the codes you have learned today, make your own inventive creation.
MODI. Modi.